Today we are starting with chess basics, our first episode, first video, how to arrange chess board when you start playing. So it starts with all the pawns, very easy method. Just see white and black there. That means 8 and 1. 1 means always the white will start, and 8 always the black will start. So you have to just keep all the pawns on the second rank. You can see all white pawns you have to arrange on second rank like this. Okay, so after this is done, you can arrange for black also all 8 pawns on the 7th rank. So pawns cannot go backwards, and they cannot start from the first rank. All the white pieces you have to arrange on the first rank like this. You can start with queen and king. So the rule is always the white queen will be on the white square, and the white king will be on the opposite color. That means green, black or blue square depending on the board color. So you have to keep opposite. White queen always on white, white king always on opposite color. Then you can arrange nearby 2 bishops. One bishop you can keep near the king, one bishop you can keep near the queen. Then you can keep both the knights near 2 bishops like this. And then at last you can keep rooks in the corner. Same way you have to do for black also. So black side you can keep all the pawns first. All 8 pawns will be on the 7th rank. On some boards the white and black is written, some boards black and white it's not written. So just see 8 and 1. Here is 1, here is 8. So 2 rooks in the corner like this, 2 knights near the rook. Okay, then keep king on the white square, because this is black king, so it will be on the opposite color. That means white. If it is white king, it will be on the opposite color. If that is black king, that will also be on the opposite color. And near to the king on the d file you have to keep both queens, this black queen and this white queen. And then at last 2 bishops, and the board is set to start the game. So subscribe the channel if you want such more videos and you want to learn chess. I am international coach. I am 2 times world record holder. So subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video and comment your favorite part. And just subscribe the channel and spread the video. Thank you.